Welcome again, guys, to the class style. Today I'm sharing with you another third part of paper rose. Today is a paper rose pedestal. So, guys, I hope you will sit back, relax, and see something else that you can do with paper flowers. So, guys, I hope you enjoy and stick around. I'll see you in a bit. Pot. This is the original color, and you see the hues of the gold. I'm going to spray paint it gold, so I'll take it outside and get that spray painted. So all I needed to do was do the outer edges in gold. I don't need to spray paint in here, and this is a big pot. I have all my paper flowers here ready, and I'm going to get some sprayed gold. I will leave the rest white. So I'm outside. I'm not dabbing it with the gold paint. I'm still leaving the little white pieces showing. So these are drying right now, and I'm not doing all. Charger plate. It was cracked, so I use it to do all sorts of stuff on. So what I'm thinking of doing with it, because here is so wide and deep, I don't want to have to set the flowers down inside. So I'm going to give a height with this to raise it, and then add another element in. But I think I want to spray paint the top of this, and I'm not sure if I want to use the gold or the white as yet. So I sprayed it, but I only sprayed around the edges because there's another piece that I have to add to this charger. You see, pipe, and I'm going to use it as my pedestal. So if you notice, I put a little of the gloss white on it, and it looked very nice. It looked like a marble finish. So I'm going to use this as my pedestal stand. It's cut 36 inches long. I'm going to adhere the pot on top of it like that, and I'll show you the base I'm using at the bottom. This piece is a huge paper roll that I got, so it's actually like cardboard, and newsprints and so on comes on these things for factories. And I did a finish on it, but I'll show you in the next piece. But what I want to show you is this is the piece that was on the inside of it, and I'm thinking I could use it as the base for my pedestal. So let me set it up and show you guys. I want to also paint this white, so I'll just set the stand on top of it and glue that in place, and replace my pot, and this is going to be my pedestal. So let me get sticky. I've already started, so I did the rim, and I'm just doing a round. I'll give it 2 coats and let it dry nicely, and then share it with you guys. The first coat, and I will just let it sit there. So guys, I'm going to set up the pot and the charger. So because inside of the pot was so deep, I did not want to fill it in with so many things. I would have to use too much, and so I just set the charger plate on top of it, and I got this cover that I have with a little rise in the center. So I'm just gonna glue that to the piece. I'm just using my glue gun, and I'll just glue around the edge where the rim is gonna hit. And this is supposed to be an inexpensive DIY, and I did not want to go purchase anything, so I'm just using ordinary plastic pots, cups, paper cups, and I want to cut a hole in the center for the first flower because that has to be the highest point. I'm just going to take it down a bit. Now you can use any materials you wish to, but I had this on hand, so I'm using this, and I'm just going to glue the paper rose to the piece. Now what I'm doing, I set the ones on the outer side as the third row, but the second row has to be a little higher than the first row, which is in the bottom. So the bottom is the first, This is the second, and the one on top is the third. And I want that lovely crescent shape, a C coming down. So I'm just using the smaller bottom of the cups to fill in there. Now, of course, you can use your oasis, but let me tell you guys, a block of oasis here is $10, and anywhere we can save money, we are going to do that. So what I'm doing is just filtering in the gold pieces, mixing them in, and I'm filling out my bouquet just like you will do a normal floral arrangement. So I'm setting them on the edge of the pot. These are the only pieces that's going to be stuck to the pot, just the edges. And I'm mixing up my colors. And guys, listen, I am so enjoying doing these bouquets. This particular one was used at an event, and let me tell you, they loved it. I love coming up with, different ideas where you can use these paper florals. So this is how it's looking so far, guys. And it's a wide pot, so it's used a lot. So what I'm going to start is my cascading downwards to the front. And I'm just sticking it to the edge of the pot. And I'm at certain points, I'm going to glue it onto the upper floral, paper flower. So again, I'm mixing my colors. So this one is going to stick to the edge, and I'll just continue on the opposite side. And those cascading bouquets, this is supposed to look just like that. So I'm gluing it one on top the other, just using the edges to adhere together. So it will still have that realness about it. It's just going to fall nicely. I did not check how much flowers I used, guys, but I know I made a lot and they were all used up. And there are so many things that you can do with these paper, and look how it cascades down nicely, guys. I am so proud of this piece. So just continuing on, and I have other paper flowers to share with you coming up in other episodes. And guys, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I enjoy you guys, your comments, I am so loving doing these. I have some spiral twigs here, and I'm just sticking them at random in the piece. And guys, I hope you love this design, really and truly. I so enjoyed doing this. And guys, this is how it looked. I have it here in my home, and I'm going to show you a bit where it was used. And guys, I hope you have enjoyed this presentation, and I hope to see you soon. Stay blessed, guys, and I'll catch you later. See you soon.